पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाखीय ईशावास्य उपनिषद. In this we are seeing, after 8th mantra, the Jnana-nishtha and Karma-nishtha vibhaga. Acharya said, karmas are for ajnani, who has kamana. Ajnasya kaminah karmani iti. How do we know he has ajnanam? Jaya me syat, atha prajayeya, atha vittam me syat, atha karma kurviya iti kamayamanasya sarvathaiva bahya jayadir yada na sampadyate. If a person who has desire and external wife etc. are not attained yet, for whatever reason, either he is not ready or nobody wants to marry him etc. tada adhyatma jayadi sampattim darshayati. Adhyatma sampatti was mana eva atma, vak jaya ityadi. Further you see in Tika, etaccha agnyatvalingam manadishu atmatvadi abhimanasya ajnana karyatvat yathacha. Etaccha agnyatvalingam. What is the ajnani's lingam, indicator? Manadishu atmatvadi abhimanasya ajnana karyatvat. If a person has abhimana in mana, that I am that mind, in mana atmatva abhimana, this is ajnana karyam. Considering myself as my mind. In other words, having identification with mind is ajnana karyam. So this is the ajñatva lingam. Mana eva atma means considers himself as mind. This is ajnani's lingam. See टिप्पणी 12 नंबर टिप्पणी. अज्ञान कार्यत्वात् ननु शालग्राम शिलादौ विष्णु आदि धीवत् प्रकृत अभिमानस्य शास्त्रमात्र आधेयत्वात् कथम अज्ञान कार्यत्वम इति चेत. Somebody is asking, in Shalagrama Vishnu buddhi is there, that is also according to Shastra. Like that in Manaha, Atma buddhi is also according to Shastra. So, Prakrita Abhimanasya Shastra Matra Adheyatvat. It is taking support of Shastra alone. How is it Ajnana Karyam? Katham Ajnana Karyatvam iti chet Satyam. Siddhanti says Satyam. Whenever Siddhanti says Satyam in a dialogue with Purva Paksha, what it means is Ardhanshena Svikaraha. In part, we agree. Then immediately we say, but, kintu, apitu, parantu. Something is there. What is that? शास्त्र मात्र आधेयो अपि असौ अभिमानो अज्ञान कार्यत्वं नातिक्रमति। शास्त्र मात्र आधेयो अपि असौ अभिमानः, दिस अभिमान, even though it has shastra matra adheya means support, ajnana karyatvam natikramati, it does not transgress ajnana karyatvam. tat shastrasya agnyam uddishyaiva pravrittam so akamayata iti tad adhikarinah कामित्व वचनात् कामो ही अज्ञत्व लिंगम. In other words, in Shalagrama, if Vishnu Buddhi is there, that is also Agnyasya lingam. And here also it is same. In Manaha, Atma Buddhi is as much Ajnana Karyam as in Shalagrama, Vishnu Buddhi. Both are similar. Means both instructions are for Ajnani. Tat shastrasya agnyam uddishyaiva pravrittam. So, that shastra pravritti is keeping in mind the Ajnani. So, akamayata iti. So, akamayata. So, he desired. Iti tad adhikarinah kamitva vachanat. Kamo hi ajñatva lingam. Kama is the linga for Ajnani. Jnasyatu kimicchan kasya kamaya iti evam kamadi abhava shravanat. Whereas for Ajnani, kimicchan kasya kamaya shariram anusanjvaret. In this way, kama abhava is shown. Kamadi abhava shravanat. So, Kama is the linga of Ajnani. And then he gives another quotation, Rago lingam abodhasya ityadi abhiyukta bhashitatvacha. Rago lingam abodhasya. If a person has raga, he is Ajnani. Ityadi abhiyukta bhashitatvacha. Tathacha Kamadi prayukta शास्त्र प्रयुक्त काम्यादि कर्मणः कामादि प्रयुक्तत्ववत् अज्ञान प्रयुक्तस्य अभिमानस्य अज्ञान प्रयुक्तत्वम् एव इति भावः. कामादि प्रयुक्त शास्त्र प्रयुक्त काम्य कर्म is कामादि प्रयुक्त only. So, if somebody says, I want to go to Swarga, and there is a Vakya in Veda, how to go to Swarga. Jyotishtomena Swarga Kamo Yajeta. So, even though Shastra says you can do Jyotishtoma Yaga, this person already has desire to go to Swarga. So that's why it is given. Kamadi prayukta, shastra prayukta, kamyadi karmana. Kamadi prayukta, shastra prayukta kamya karma is considered as kamadi prayukta only, not shastra prayukta. In the same way, ajnana prayukta abhimana, even if it is shastra prayukta, it is still अज्ञान प्रयुक्तत्वम एव इति भावः. It still has अज्ञान प्रयुक्तत्वम. Further you see now. यथाच in टीका बाह्य कामिनी अलाभे सुप्तो मनो विजृंभित कामिनीम उपभुंजानो अज्ञः प्रसिद्धस तद्वदयमपि इत्यर्थः. यथा च Bahya Kamini Alabhe. If a person does not have, Kamini means Patni. Let's say she is not there. Then what he will do? Thinking of her, his wife has gone somewhere, let us say. Suptaha, he sleeps thinking of his wife. Then Mano Vijrumbhita Kaminim Upabhunjana. He will enjoy wife who is projection of his own mind. Mano Vijrumbhita is one spada. Huh? Mano Vijrumbhita Kaminim means Manasa Vijrumbhita Kamini. That is the Samasa Vigraha. By his own mind, that Stree who is projected, he enjoys her, whatever. Upabhunjana is Agnya, this is Prasiddha. Just like that, here also Tadvad Ayam Api Ityartha. This person also has Mano Vijrumbhita Kamana, and whatever he entertains at that time is Ajnani. Teshancha karmanam phalam samsaraptihi eva ityapi tatraiva darshitam ityaha. Teshancha karmanam phalam, the karma phala, there is samsaraptihi, sansara prapti only. All those karma, their phalam is sansara aptihi eva ityapi tatraiva darshitam ityaha tathacha iti. नंबर टिप्पणी ननु कर्मणाम अज्ञादि अधिकारिकत्वे अपि मुक्तिफलत्वे तु ज्ञानेन समुच्चयो दुर्वारः. कर्मणाम अज्ञादि अधिकारिकत्वे, इन कर्म अज्ञानी है अधिकार, अज्ञानी alone is अधिकारी. अज्ञादि अधिकारिकत्वे अपि for mukti phalam jnanena samuccaya, jnana karma samuccaya, says Purvapakshi. Samana phalayoho samuccaya sambhavat. Siddhanti will say only samana phala can have samuccaya. Karma phala is samsara. Jnana phalam is, what is jnana phalam? Moksha. What are Jnana phalam is moksha, means asamsara. So karma phala is samsara, jnana phalam is asamsara. There is virodha. Therefore, you cannot have samuccaya between jnana and karma. This is very important. Further, the Tippani says, Agnya Kami Kartrikanam iti yavat. Tesham means those who are Ajnani, Kami, and those then do karma. Their phalam is samsara. Tathacha. In Bhashya now. Ajnatvam Kamitvam cha karmanishthasya nishchitam avagamyate. For a person who is karmanistha, he is ajnani and he is kami. So here certain things we should keep in mind. Whenever this karma ninda is done, karma ninda is not for the sake of its ninda, it is for stuti of jnana. But if my attention is on karma phala, because I don't have that much vairagya, let us say, I am interested in some karma phala, some tangible result in vyavaharik jagat, then I cannot do karma ninda. I should not do karma ninda. I am not fit for karma ninda, because I need karma phalam. So then na karmana na prajaya is not for me. तथा च तत्फलम सप्तान्न सर्गस तेषु आत्मभावेन आत्मस्वरूपावस्थानम तथा च तत्फलम दी कर्मफलम is revealed in Saptanna Brahmana. In Brahadaranyaka there is a Brahmana called Saptanna Brahmana. Saptanna Sarga Teshu. So this Saptanna Brahmana shows creation of 7 annam. Saptanna Sarga. Sarga means Srishti. Creation of 7 types of food. Saptanna Sargasteshu Atmabhavena Atmaswarupa Avasthanam. Atmaswarupa Avasthanam. What is that? So, first you see in Tika. Ekam sadharanam annam yadidam adyate dve devanam huta prahute दर्शपूर्णमासौ त्रीणि अस्य भोग साधनानि मनोवाक् प्राणलक्षणानि पश्वर्थम एकम तत्पय इति सप्तान्न सर्गो दर्शितः श्रुत्या यत् सप्तान्नानि मेधया तपसा अजनयत् पिता इत्यादिना. Ekam sadharanam annam. One annam is sadharanam. What is that sadharanam annam? Like vrihi adi, which is consumed by all, like some barley, etc. Human beings also can eat, Pashu also can eat, Devatas also are offered. So that is considered as sadharanam annam. Yadidam adyate. Then 2 are for devatas. Dve devanam huta prahute. For Amavasya, what is offered, and Purnima, Darsha Purnamasau va. So they are given in 22nd Tippani. Hutam Agnau Havanam, in the fire, what is offered. Prahutam Hutva Baliharanam, and then there is Baliharanam, means taking the bali, etc. This is huta prahute. There are 2 annam for devatas. 1 plus 2, 3. Then trini bhoga sadhanani. These 3 are annam also and bhoga sadhanam. Manaha, vak, prana. Everybody enjoys their own mind or others' mind. Speech. Their own speech, others' speech. And prana. So it is also annam. Manovak prana lakshanani. Bhoga sadhanani, that is also 3 annam. 3 plus 3, 6. And 1 is pashu artham. For pashu there is 1 annam. Tat paya. Milk is, according to our Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, milk is only for pashu. This is given, Brahadaranyaka quotation. Pashvartham ekam tatpaya. So I am not surprised if more people say we are going to become vegan. They are no milk products and all. Because Pashvartham iti. But majority of countries survive only on milk. Like in particular those who love to drink chai. So they will say we are vegan, but in tea I am non-vegan. Iti. Saptanna sargo darshitah. So these 7 kind of anna srishti is explained. Shrutya yat saptannani medhaya tapasa ajanayat pita ityadina. Saptannani medhaya tapasa pita ajanayat. Pita means the creator. Now who is the creator? She explains further in Tika. अत्र एकैको यजमान एव पिता. दिस इज द मुख्य वाक्य. अत्र एकैको यजमान एव पिता उच्यते. ईच यजमान इज कॉल्ड क्रिएटर. वाय? विहित प्रतिषिद्ध ज्ञान कर्म अनुष्ठानात् सर्वस्य संसारस्य पिता. यजमान मीन्स जीव. Each jiva is called creator. So this is not only given here, it is given in Brihadaranyaka also. That's how Anand Giriji has written here. Vihita and Pratishiddha Jnana Karma Anusthana. Jnana means Upasana. Vihita and Pratishiddha Upasana Karma Anushthanat Sarvasya Samsarasya Janakatvat Pita. He is the Janaka of the entire samsara. How? Either sakshat or paramparyabhyam. Either directly or through parampara. Sakshat paramparyabhyam janakatvat pita uchyate. So each jiva, when he is creator of saptanna, that is ekajiva vada. एकैको यजमान एव जनकत्वात् पिता उच्यते. साक्षात इन एक जीववाद, पारंपर्याभ्याम इन अनेक बहुजीववाद. What is the difference between sakshat? He explained it is explained in 16th tippani, means whatever is the tippani number in your book on sakshat. यथा पुत्रम प्रति साक्षात, पौत्रम प्रति पारंपर्येण. सो पुत्रम प्रति साक्षात कारणम, पौत्रम प्रति पारंपर्येण कारणम. So putra is generated directly, so his pita is directly responsible. Pautra indirectly responsible. Like that, we create this saptanna srishti, each jiva. And each jiva is responsible for whatever is the outcome. He is the janaka, he is the pita, he is responsible. In like for example, who created Himalaya? Bole, you, directly, sakshat, eka jiva vada. Why? Because you are seeing it. Anything other than aham, if I am experiencing, who created? You created. I'll give you an example. Let us say this commentary is there, right? Bhagavan Shankaracharyaji's commentary we say. So somebody will ask a question. How do you know it is Shankaracharyaji's commentary? What will you say? Or we'll say you look in history, this, that. But means we don't go in inquiring that first I have to find out whether it is his commentary or not. I will ask a counter question. How do you know this world is existing? Forget about whose commentary it is. You answer this question. How do you know that there is world existing and it is not your creation? In other words, it is not drishti srishtivada, it is srishti drishtivada. That it was there and then I am experiencing. How do you say? Oh, but the mountain is there. How do you know mountain is there? Because I am experiencing. So because I am experiencing, therefore it is there. You have to prove it was there before. How will you prove? You cannot prove. Because you say, no, there is a picture of that mountain from earlier times. Whoever took the picture, whether that person is existing or not, how will you know? Drishti Srishti only. Because I am there, there is external world. So, you will never be able to prove whether others are there, then I came, or I am there, then others are existing. Like Swapna. Jagrat Prapancha, Drishti Srishti, Badhitatvat, Swapnavat. Jagrat Prapancha is Drishti Srishti because it is subject to negation. Like Swapna Prapancha, like Rajju Sarpa, Shukti Rupya, whatever is Badhita is Drishti Srishti. Jagrat Prapancha is also Badhita, is also Drishti Srishti. You cannot challenge this. So that's why Sakshat Yajamana is Janaka. Or Parampariyabhyam, or through Parampara, if you take Bahujivavad also, all Jiva's karmas are responsible for some phalam, some result. So this Himalaya is there, for example. Who created? All Jivas put together created Himalaya. Why? Because when I see it, I get joy. I am living in Himalaya, so there is a joy. So, my Sukham, Ananda, was supposed to come from seeing Himalaya, experiencing Himalaya. So, if I had not contributed to its creation, how will I get the phalam? So, my karmas are responsible for Himalaya to exist. My karmas are responsible for Gangaji to exist. My karmas are responsible for air that I breathe. So I have created everything. In Nyaya, this is how they explain. So, every person is a Janaka. Teshu cha srishteshu anneshu. Tasya pituhu, in all these Srishta Anna, the Pita, whoever is the creator, what is his understanding? Ahamidam, mamedam, iti, atmatva adhyasena, mana adishu, itareshu cha, sambandha adhyasena avasthanam samsarah prasiddha ityartha. Anand Giriji has extended this to Adhyas also now. In all these Srishtanna, then there is superimposition, Tadatmya, for the Pita, the creator, Aham idam, mama idam, I am this is mine. Once Adhyasa is there, I forget what is reality. I have projected something. It is external to me, it is a projection, it is a Bhranti. Once I forget that and start aham idam, mama idam, this kind of vyavahara, I will be lost. I have forgotten what is reality. So, actually what should happen is, every now and then I have to remind myself, I am Brahma. Any kind of tadatmya, I am bound to be dukhi, because if a person lives in illusion, he is bound to be dukhi. And those who say, no, 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 I want to live in illusion, you stay away from such people. Because these people, they will suffer, they will make you also suffer. Satsangatva Nisangatvam, when he said, means you stay in company with of those people who remind you again and again, you are Brahma. Don't associate with those people who remind you, no, 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 you are body, no, no, your body needs this, body, deha, abhimana, whenever it increases, it is a bhayajanaka paristhiti. Sambandha adhyasena in mana and itareshu, other things also, mana adishu, itareshu cha. Manadi means mana, vak, prana, and itara means everything else. Sambandha adhyasena eva avasthanam, this is called samsara. Samsaraha prasiddha. Samsara definition is given. Adhyasa itself is samsara. Adhyasa karyam is samsara, literally. Aham idam mama idam iti atmatva adhyasana. So wherever I have done atmatva abhimana, mana adishu itareshu cha, in mind etc., other things also, sambandha adhyasena avasthanam is samsaraha. Prasiddha. So when it is said a person or whether I am samsari or not, I should ask this question. Do I have adhyasa with my own mind? If yes, that is called samsari. एवं मंत्र प्रदर्शिते निष्ठाद्वये ब्राह्मण सम्मतिम दर्शयित्वा. In this way, the two mantra, there is nishtadvaya. Mantra pradarshite nishtadvaya. First mantra and second mantra. First mantra is jnana nishtha. Second mantra is karma nishtha. These two nishtha ब्राह्मण सम्मतिम दर्शयित्वा. बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, which is the Brahmana Bhaga Upanishad, the sammatim having shown, prakarana vibhagam darshayati. Prakarana vibhaga will be shown. So the second part of the sentence we still have to read. जायादि एषणात्रय संन्यासेन च आत्मविदाम कर्मनिष्ठा प्रातिकूल्येन आत्मस्वरूपनिष्ठैव दर्शिता. किं प्रजया करिष्यामो येषां नो अयमात्मा अयं लोकः इत्यादिना. दिस इज दी ज्ञाननिष्ठा इन बृहदारण्यक and कर्मनिष्ठा इन बृहदारण्यक was जाया में स्यात्. अथ प्रजायेय अथ वित्तम में स्यात् अथ कर्म कुल. May I have jaya, praja, vittam. So this is exactly karmanishta. Like if somebody says, somebody may not say jaya mein syat, let us say, but he wants big following, prajayeya. Big following in the sense, I want people around me who will do my work, whatever I say should happen, this, that. Yes, sir, kind of people. And I need lot of vittam also. I need wealth. Why? Because I want to do this, I want to do social work. Social work also is your kamana. So vittam mein syat. And then atha karma kurvi, now I will do karma. This is karma nishtha. So out of all these, jaya, praja, vittam, karma, four things, even if there is one, it is karma nishtha. And the other is kim praja karishyama. What are we going to do with praja? I don't want this loka. I want atma loka. Yesham naha asmakam ayam atma ayam loka. I am interested in atma as the loka. I am not interested in Swarga Loka or another Loka or even this Prithvi Loka with more name, fame, recognition. This is not what I want. He is a adhikari for Jnana Nishtha. So I should be very clear what is in my heart really. We don't have to show it to people. So by these two mantras, Jnana Nishtha, Karma Nishtha are separated. Further you see in Bhashya, ye tu Jnana Nishthaha Sannyasinaha. Those sannyasis who are Jnana Nishtha, tebhyo Asuryanamate ityadina avidvan ninda dvarena atmano yathatmyam saparyagat iti etadantair mantrair upadishtam. And those who have Jnana Nishtha, those sannyasis, Asuryanamate lokaha, by that avidvan ninda dvarena. Avidvan ninda is done, atmano yathatmyam is shown up to 8th mantra. Om. Tomorrow is Anadhyaya. Okay, so there is no Ishavasya class. Following day we will have. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.